Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Are you tired of that sinking feeling when your car makes a weird noise? Or that hefty bill from the mechanic for something that seems super simple? Well, what if I told you that yes you, could fix many of those common car problems yourself? Stick around, because today we're demystifying car repair and showing you how to get started. Let's be real, popping the hood can be intimidating. You see a maze of wires, hoses, and metal parts, and your first thought is probably, nope, not touching that. I've been there. But here's the secret. Modern cars are designed to be worked on. And with the right knowledge and a few basic tools, you can save hundreds, maybe even thousands, of dollars. We're talking about things like changing your own oil, replacing air filters, swapping out brake pads, and even changing a dead battery. These are tasks that mechanics charge a lot for, but they're surprisingly straightforward. So, where do you start? First, get to know your car's owner's manual. It's your vehicle's Bible. It tells you everything from what kind of oil to use to where the fuse box is. Next, invest in a basic mechanics toolset. You don't need the most expensive gear right away. Just the essentials like a socket set, screwdrivers, and a good wrench. And the most powerful tool of all, the internet. There are countless tutorials and forums just like this channel to guide you step by step through almost any repair. The key is to start small, build your confidence, and never be afraid to ask questions. You'll be amazed at what you can accomplish with your own two hands, taking control of your car's maintenance isn't just about saving money, it's empowering. You'll gain a new skill, a deeper understanding of the machine you rely on every day, and a massive sense of accomplishment. So, are you ready to get your hands a little dirty and become your own hero on the roadside? If this sounds like something you want to learn more about, make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell so you don't miss our upcoming tutorials. We'll be breaking down these jobs into easy-to-follow videos. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.